Welcome to Gosunm Intelligent. In our today's live show, we have two parts to introduce. And the first part is about the DWS with the cycle sorting for the container. We will move on to the first part, cycle sorting line for the empty container. Okay. Now, camera, move on. This line consists of three sectors. First one is the feeding sector, and the second one is the scanning sector, and the third part is the sorting sector. Okay, now we'll move on to the first part, the feeding sector. Now you can see we have this scissor lift platform for the pallet and the empty container stacking. You can see we have two stacking here. So the operator actually will put the pallet on top of this lift form. And then we will put a blackboard on this stacking, and so a square blackboard on top of this one. So because you can see this camera will do the scanning visual localization, and you will read the blackboard, scanning the blackboard on the empty container. Then it will tell the location by the coordinate of the X, Y, Z axis. So this is for the feeding part. Now I will introduce the second part, the scanning part, the scanning sector. Once the container is get ready. So the system will get the signal, and then this suction, top suction, use air absorption technology to pick the container one by one onto this runner. So here is one very important question. So how does this suction device know the position, know how to where to pick the container? Pay attention to here. We have now right over there. We have a round blue one. That's the sensor for the upper level. Okay, that one. And this upper level. Also, we have another at the bottom to the lower level. So within this detection range, the platform will go up and down, and then this device will do accordingly. So once the container is here, then we'll move on to this the scanning sector. You can see at top side we have another camera, and this camera will be used to scanning the barcode on container. So what is a barcode here? Actually, each container will be attached with a special barcode before sorting. So the camera mounted at top side will scan the barcode, and then the system will decide where the container goes, and then the container will move forward to the sorting. Actually, you can see we have four sectors, and we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, this side 4, and other side 4. Out feeding. And at the end of this sorting, we have a NG. So 8 out feeding sorting. for the effective work, and one for the NG. Something like the scanning is not working. Maybe the cartoon is not scanned. Okay, here we have a very special one here. And this one is the wheel sorter. Actually, the sorter will divert from 0 degree to 180 degree. So it can divert the parcel or container or the bags into the left and right directions. So variation in size and weight can be and can be done, can be customized. And you can see here, close to each outfitting, we have this check weighing device. So the container, when the container is sorted, and will be fed into this check weighing. This check weighing device is customized by a client because they want to deliver the weight to the system control. Now we have this side we have 4, and at the other side also have 4. Actually, for this sorting line, for the box, for the cartoon, the size, you can see that this is a small. Now we have this ready. We have this container is small with small size. Actually, the maximum size based on the client's business is 1.2 by 1.2 meters. Okay, now that's all for the introduction for our DWS cycle sorting line. Now we will ask our engineer to start the machine and see the machine running. 可以盖下机吧？对，可以开吗？可以啊，可以开了。开是吧？对。哎，不是一个板，那个板的嘞。Wait a moment. We will do the starting work. Oh, very good. 非常好。 Actually, this DWS sorting line, not only for this empty container, we also can do the paper envelope, or plastic bag, or the cartoon box to do the sorting. Actually, we can also in this line, we do the sorting and weighing. So actually, we can add the dimension. This is the additional function. If you want to do the dimension or scanning and weighing, just tell us. We can do the customized solution for you. Actually, you can see each sector we have a PLC calculate at the underside. So this is drives the model, and this motor driver is built inside the sorter to last in a rugged environment. Actually, we for this top text option we have 9. We have 8. I'm sorry. We have 8 vacuum plate. So it is a small container or a big container. Okay, now that's all for the running work for the DWS sorting. Now